Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. Open day, the sun is shining and people are turning up. Wow, a nice cup of coffee and a bacon roll courtesy of Charlotte and the team, so thank you for them straight away for helping out. So people all turned up. I'll show you what's been going on if you couldn't get here. In the workshop, a couple of different cars. Cup 200 car if you're looking to go racing. That's up for sale right now, $29,950. Ready to go racing if you want to go racing. Cup Style Championships, we're out at Brands Hatch on the 9th of August. We've got the K20 turbo cars back in now, Ben's car. We're going to be doing some other bits on this, some wiring and finishing in. Really nice car, really nice detail. That's going to be a rocket ship with that turbo now. We've got the Phoenix back out. We've been going through this actually, going through this whole car, making sure she's clean and tidy and getting it ready for an MOT. So we've gone through the engine bay, done a lot of pipe work, which you'll probably see. We've got a couple of customers' cars here that we're finishing off, which is ready for IVA, and this one we're just waiting for the fuel tank on the MEV now. We've got a DAX Rush. If you're looking for a DAX, you're looking for a project, we bought this in, was going to do it for a customer, but it's now up for sale. 7995, it's a Cosworth engine, 200 block. Comes with a load of other components, wheels and bonnet and bodywork and brakes and everything else as well. But if you want to know information, just fire us an email on that or come and see us at the factory. Then what we've got going on, showing the automatic build, which will go into a bit more detail for you, but we've got a chassis where we're doing a Mazda automatic on it. A bit different, isn't it? So we'll show you a bit more detail in that. And then when you move around, we've got the Sprint 185 in here. That's going to be doing some test drives shortly. We've got two Mazda turbo cars, both in the sky blue, or golf blue if you want to call it, in there. We've got Richie's car from RLM, the Cup 200, and we've got the left-hand drive car. Now outside, we've got the new Cup 200 and the Mazda car. They've both been out on test drives quite a lot this morning. Let's see what's out there though, because you might enjoy some of these little toys. Some are cool cars that turn up at these events. So we've got a few different cars that turn up here from Caterham's, Daxes, MK. So we've got S2000, R1 and ZX14 Turbo Dax. A couple of Caterhams here, really smart. I bet it's Johnny Gibbs's car actually. I think they're an R400, R500s, really nice. Actually, it's a nice colour, isn't it? It's a smart colour. So, and then if you're into your supercars, hypercars, we've got a couple of Porsches, an M4 CSL, nice. Is that a McLaren? It is a McLaren. Look at that, Lewis. That's a nice colour, isn't it? Now, I think that might be Tony's car, because I'm sure I saw him about. Yeah, it's a proper toy, that, isn't it? It's not an MK though. So what we got over here, now something rare find. Something we will be pulling back out the project wise, which is the Fulcrum. So we own this project. We've still got all the miles and jigs. It will get pulled out at some point. Sean's car this is quite local to us. Really nice. I love the design of this. It's got a little Fireblade engine in it. Really nice, really modern. And that sits on the same chassis as this, which is a Striker, which is pulled up as well. Don't know what it said, must be an R1 I think in that. Yeah, it looks like an R1 in there. Then we've got a couple of other MKs here. Z-Tech and another Mazda Turbo. 420R Caterhams, quite a few Caterhams here. Another Caterham, all turning up. A Golf with a, looks like a Mazda with throttle bodies. That's a nice engine bay. Look at them throttle bodies, them bad boys. That's nice, isn't it? Really nice. Throttle bodies, coil on plug, smart. Very nicely detailed. And then, oh, nearly got into the cameraman. Some of that going on. Then we've got a Mega Booster, which is actually got a Fireblade in it though now, rather than a booster engine. So it's got a CBR. I think AB Performance did the conversion on that. Then we've got another MEV Mazda Turbo, Jamie's car, with the flip paint. Probably camera don't pick that up. It's got a really nice flip paint on that, chameleon type paint job. Then if you're looking for a RX-5 that's for sale, Ryan's car is here for sale. Take a close up there, put it on the video. There's a contact number and the price. Good little car, only just registered. Oh look, my bacon rolls arrived. Guys, bacon bay. Then we've got a nice GT3 RS. And then JC's M4 CSL, very rare car actually. It's carbon everywhere on this. Look at this carbon detail. Carbon doors, carbon bonnet, carbon roof. Proper bit of kit that is. And then K20 car. And That's Simon's one we built probably 4 years ago now. I think it was the first one we did, the K20. Still going strong, still doing what it needs to be. And of course the trusty forklift. Right down there, look at the forklift. So we've got that going on out there. So bacon rolls, nice cup of tea ready for you. Get yourself down here next time if you couldn't make it this time, but hopefully you can see what's going on. You know more about the MK Sportscars range, where it would be Cup 200, RX5, or the Dura Power Sprint 185, and hook us up, phone call, email, or come and see you at the factory. That's it, remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you next time, guys.